Okay, so we're going to use that file to understand how these different joins take place. Okay. So, we have a very small example, right, and we need only the first two, you do not need that one. So, when you bring in sheet 1, okay, and then when you bring in sheet 2, okay. Now, if there is a common field with the same field name, okay, Tableau will automatically do the join for you. Okay, so right now it doesn't have, we don't have the same field name, but in reality, so this user ID and the pattern ID are the same thing, but in one table the field is named user ID, and in the second table it is named pattern ID, and because of the difference in how the name is typed in, Tableau doesn't know what it is. Okay. So, here is how, here are the choices for you for the join. Okay. So, we will get to this pattern ID and user ID bit in just a second. Let us first understand what these are. So, this is the inner join. Okay. Inner join means, so that there must be a record present in both the left table and the right table. Okay. If you have a record in the left table, okay, and there is no corresponding record in the right table, then that observation is left out. Okay, and the reverse also will be left out. You do not have a record here, but you have a record in the right table, that also will get left out. So, you must have record in both left and the right tables, then it will be included in the result. Okay, so, let us look at how that is going to happen. Okay, I am going to close this and open that shell file. Okay. So, let us do, okay, I am going to do inner join first. Yeah, that is right. And then we will do left join after that. Okay. Okay. So, you will go take the first record, right. So, and then look through the second table, and do you see, okay, so user ID and pattern ID, that is your key. So, key is user ID is equal to pattern ID. So, that is the key. So, you have a match. Okay. So, that one matches with that. So, that will be included. So, that would be type is G, pattern ID is 1, branch is A1, and amount is 100. Okay. So, that one, okay, looked at the first record, match included, okay, because it is there in both the left table and it is present, the key is present in both the left and the right table, and then move to the next one. Again there is a match, right. So, that is going to be included as well. So, 1 G 1, now this is C1 and 300. Okay. Then you take that record, try to match the next one. Okay, there is no match now. So, skip this record and then move down, no match, so skip that. Okay. Okay, so far. Okay, next you take the second record from the left and go through the same process. So, there is a match. So, we have 1 W 1 A1 100, okay, and then you look at the second record. So, again there is a match. So, that one and that. So, 1 W 1 C1 and 300. Okay. And then there is no more match. Okay. Now, the next record. So, we have 2. Now, no match here, no match, and there is a match here. So, you get 2 J 2 B1 200. Okay. And then no match. Then you have the fourth record. Fourth record does not have a match at all. So, that is it. So, you get 3 plus 2 5 records as your output. So, this is your inner join. Okay, let us do that here. Okay. So, you have your left side, okay, which is user ID is equal to pattern ID. So, now you see the 4. So, now we have a inner join here, and there are the same 5. It's ordered differently. So, you sort it, and then you see that we have the results are okay 1 G 1 G, and then so this is and then 1 W and 2 J. Okay. Any questions?